Alright guys, this time the topic is remote working. It's more and more popular among the freelancers and not only. More and more enterprises are offloading their workloads by creating remote workplaces. So everyone probably will experience sooner or later the so-called work from home. First, I would like to say that coffees or any other co-working workspaces absolutely don't work when you're trying to focus on a certain subject. Of course, for simple emails and some shell work, it's ideal, but for serious work, I don't consider them as available resources. In this regard, it's good to have, let's say, another space. It might be a little apartment or a small room. If you cannot afford having a separate room, you can create a separate mini space in your room. So when you're finishing work, it's good not to have this equipment in front of your eyes. So just keep them somewhere hidden. In this way, emulating the separation border between work and home environment. Speaking of devices, a lot of people are using smartphones and tablets and sleek laptops, which I find super unproductive and even causing eye strain and headaches. So I advise just to get a normal sized laptop with 15-inch and above. And the last tip I would like to share is the way you're planning your work, like to-do lists, tasks, or if you have Kanban boards or something like this. The same way you should plan your vacation time, because it's super easy for the work to take over your time and you can even forget about your basic needs such as drinking water or keeping a good hygiene. So plan good walks and relaxation time, and I hope the information was helpful for you.